The biggest salt lake in the Western Hemisphere is drying up. And no, it's not in California, but in little old Utah. But why is it drying up? There's no one reason, but by using something called systems thinking, we can get closer to some answers. Danella Meadows, who wrote this book that I stole from a library, says that a system is something that's greater than the sum of its parts, relationships, and purpose. Take a look at your phone, even though you're already looking at it. Your phone is a system. It has parts like wires, a battery, electricity, and data. These things are called stock, and they can go up and down over time, depending on how much you use it. It also has unique relationships between the parts. Power flows from the battery to the chip and to the camera, allowing you to take fisheye shots of your friends. And it has a purpose, even though we could debate about what it is. The purpose of a system is usually found by looking at its long-term behavior. What does your phone do? Let's say it's an information gathering device for companies and for you, taking data like pictures and passwords for future use. So, parts, relationships, purpose. That is a system. The Great Salt Lake is also a system. It has parts: brine, shrimp, birds, bison, fishermen, water, salt, factories, boats. It has relationships between the parts. Brine shrimp support the little birds, which then support bald eagles, and the brine shrimp also support fishermen and the world fish food economy. But finally, the lake has a purpose, and that one's kind of harder to tell. Is it to support the human economy, the food chain, to look gorgeous while still smelling bad? I believe that its purpose is to live a long life in community with flora, fauna, and humans, but that's just me. What systems do you see in your own life? Name one in the comments, and I might spotlight it in next week's video.